Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on this Crusherbuilt single GU74B, also known as the 4cx800. We got this thing here, it's got your fan, high voltage, high, standby, and low. We're sitting here idling at around 3300 volts exactly. Cobra 29, 1000 watt slug and average. Kilo over 400. Hello audio. Hello audio. A little over 900 bird there. 5,000 watt slug in PEP. Hello audio. About 2300 peak. Let's look at the meters. Hello audio. Pulling about 650 mils. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have it. If this is something like what you're looking for, give us a shout. Check us out at www.truckscbsales.com or email us at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.